Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon Prime password. This is an essential step for keeping your account secure, especially if you think your current password might be compromised or if you simply want to update it for better protection. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon profile. On the Account page, look for an option labeled Login and Security and click on it. This section is where Amazon keeps all your authentication and password-related settings. It's designed to give you full control over how you access your account. When you click this, Amazon might ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. If prompted, enter your current password and then click Continue. This extra layer of verification ensures that only you can make changes to sensitive account information. Once you're in the Login and Security section, you'll see various fields related to your account credentials. Look for the Password field, and next to it you'll notice an Edit button. Click on Edit to begin the process of changing your password. A new window or section will open up, giving you the fields you need to complete the password change. In the first field labeled Current Password, type in your existing password. This step confirms that you're the account owner and prevents unauthorized changes. After entering your current password, move to the next field where it says New Password. Here, type in the password you'd like to use going forward. Make sure it's strong and unique, ideally combining letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. After typing your new password, you'll need to confirm it by retyping it in the Re-enter Password field. This ensures there are no typos and that you remember exactly what you've entered. Once both fields match and you're satisfied with your new password, click Save Changes. Amazon will process this update and your password will be changed immediately. And that's it. Your Amazon Prime password has been successfully updated and your account is now more secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.